Creating a project in Asana is straightforward and involves a few key steps to organize tasks, collaborate with team members, and track progress efficiently. Access Asana. Log into your Asana account and navigate to your workspace or team where you want to create the project. Create a new project. Click on the orange plus button in the top bar or use the Add Project button on the sidebar. Select Project from the drop-down menu. Set project details. Enter a descriptive name for your project that reflects its purpose or deliverables. Optionally, add a project description to provide context for team members. Choose project layout. Select a project layout that best suits your needs. List, ideal for projects with sequential tasks. Board, suitable for projects where tasks move through stages or columns. Timeline, useful for projects with dependencies and specific timelines. Add tasks. Start adding tasks to your project by clicking Add Task or typing directly into the task list. Assign tasks to team members, set due dates, and add subtasks, attachments, or comments as needed. Customize project sections. Organize tasks into sections within the project to group related tasks together based on phases, priority, or categories. Invite collaborators. Invite team members to the project by clicking on the Share button and entering their email addresses. Assign appropriate permissions based on their role. Monitor progress. Use Asana's dashboard to monitor project progress, track deadlines, and communicate updates with team members through comments, attachments, and status updates.